Now
Los
is
que
that
construyeron el Taj
nobody
Mahal
can stay in this room.
vivían ahí.
Can you see the small dome on the top? 11 on the front side, 11 is behind. So 11 plus 11, total 22. That symbolic took 22 years to build a Taj Mahal.
22 días para construirlo y están
22.
representando allá.
22 años.
Años. Ajá.
Taj Mahal has been construction 1631 to 1653, 17th century to construction of this building. You know, 1526 Mughals come from Mongolia. The name of the first Mughal emperor Babur, second Humayun, third Akbar, fourth Jahangir, and fifth Shah Jahan, who built the Taj Mahal, sixth Aurangzeb, and last Bahadur Shah Zafar. So these are all 7 Mughal emperor had a ruler in India 465 years.
Okay.
And after that, ma'am, 1803, British people came in India. You can see on the top brass pinnacle. Before it was a gold, but now it is brass. The British took the gold and keep on the brass.
Okay.
It's still, ma'am, British Museum in London.
Okay.
Taj Mahal built by Shah Jahan and beautiful memory of his wife Mumtaz. You know, Shah Jahan title name Prince Khurram. You know, prince like a king. Khurram natural name according to the Muslim because Mughal are Muslims.
Okay.
Mumtaz means beautiful. Mumtaz title name Anjuman Banu Begum. She died on the birth, childbirth, 14 children, 10 daughters, 4 sons. But Shah Jahan was married 3 wives. Before 2 wives, they couldn't have a children. Only Mumtaz had 14 children.
Oh, imagine.
You know, Mumtaz, she was not an Indian, she was from Iran. And others 2 wives, those are Indian. That's why he loved a lot, special Mumtaz. The name of Taj Mahal, the title name Mumtaz Mahal. Mum means beautiful, Taj means as the corona, Mahal as the palace. So beautiful corona palace. You heard about that Shah Jahan, the king, he supposed to build another one Taj Mahal, Negro Taj Mahal. Just Taj behind, cross the river, but couldn't complete, made the foundation because Shah Jahan was arrested. You know who? By his son Aurangzeb, who was 3rd number son.
Wow.
He kept his father in Agra Fort 1658. But after he died, 1666, then his son brought the body, buried him in Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan, when he died, 76 years old, and Queen, when she died childbirth, 39 years old. So she never saw a Taj Mahal, she died before. That's why we called symbol of love. Because she died 1631, same year, in January, but Taj Mahal contraction in December. So
Okay.
6 month dead body kept in Taj Mahal garden. Then after move the body, buried in Taj Mahal. Then slowly Taj contraction start around the building. So we call symbol of. When you go inside the Taj Mahal, you see the height of Taj Mahal, 81 meter. Can you see on the top the pinnacle? See on the top,
yeah.
it look like a 2 and 3 meters. The real size, ma'am, 10.6 meters.
Wow.
And look at the minaret. See, 4 minarets look like a straight. 51 meters, but no straight, 3 degrees tilted out. You know, the architect, Isa Khan Afandi from Turkey, he was thinking if in case any earthquake will be come here, so minarets fall outside. No inside the building, no damage.
No damage.
Taj Mahal we can see here totally made of marble, but underneath no marble, underneath Roman brick. Then after covered with these marbles, 5.9 centimeter deep.
Oh, wow.
The hottest qualities in the world. 20,000 people work up who built the Taj Mahal, but now same descendant family, father to son, people are making over there. I would like to show you afterward demonstration of Mughal art later on the way back. Then you easily understand how to build at that time. Because Friday Taj Mahal closed, those people come every Friday to replacement Taj Mahal.
Oh, okay.
So that thing I will show you afterward.
Okay.
You recording more, no problem. You recording more. So Shah Jahan, why he chose to build Taj Mahal from Agra? Because Agra was capital. Then after ma'am capital moved Kolkata because Queen Victoria, she was Princess of England, she had her own company, East India Company. And after capital back, 1911 become Delhi capital.
Delhi.
So Mughals time Agra, British time Kolkata, Indian time Delhi.
Okay.
And this whole area Taj Mahal around here in the 16 garden, the architect of garden Amanat Khan Shirazi from Iran, but second architect Isa Khan Afandi from Turkey. So 2 architects to design of this beautiful Taj Mahal.
Alright.
You know, when you go inside the Taj Mahal, it is all symmetrical building. But one thing unsymmetrical, which is to Shah Jahan. You know, she is buried in the middle and he is buried other side. Because this is face to the Makkah. According to the Muslim religion, male when died, buried in Makkah. So that's called unsymmetrical, but everything all symmetrical.
Symmetrical. Okay.
But you can't see the real tomb. In a real tomb, it's downstairs, which has been closed long time ago like this. But on the top, replica from here. Because
Okay.
according to the Muslim religion, we are not allowed to walk over the ground. So
Okay.
made of replica by his son for the right time.
Okay.
So you can go to see only for replicas.
Okay.
And the very important things here, the stone which in the flower around here, very important. Inside the Taj Mahal, you can go to see beautiful old semi-precious stone, ingot in the marble, no any painting, no any color, nothing here. All real jewels stone in here. But inside the Taj Mahal, when you go enter in the tomb, you can see Taj Mahal look like a square, but no square building. It is as the octagonal. In
Okay.
octagonal, 8 sides. In Islamic, 8 way to heaven. So Taj like way to heaven.
Oh, beautiful.
Inside, beautiful floral design, which is called lotus flower. When you put the light on it, it will be glow like a fire.
Oh,
So flashlight
beautiful.
not allowed to see
Oh,
inside,
okay.
but I like to show you afterward beautiful demonstration of Mughal art. Then you can see how glow for that stone.
Okay.
But in the flowers, look like a 4 5 pieces, 32 piece each flower.
Wow.
What means that?
Taj,
That?
Taj,
Corona.
Corona.
Mahal,
Y la Mahal
palace.
Palace.
As the beautiful Corona palace.
Te lo explico ya.
After. After